Okay. So this is our today's objective. This is what we are going to learn in today's class. Okay. So we will be able to identify and say the sound, and we will be able to read. So that's the new sound that we are learning. If you can see here in red, that's the new sound that we are learning. So we will be able to read this new sound and the words in the sentences. Okay. So are we all ready? Let me see thumbs up if we all are ready. Yay, two thumbs ups. Yes, good job. Excellent. Now, I will be showing you all the words, the letters. Okay, you all have to say the sound. Okay, you all can unmute yourself. Come on, unmute yourself for 1 minute. Everyone can unmute. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, not now. Wait. ठीक है. Tell me the sound. What sound does it? What is the sound? So, very good. Very good. So we have to, and we have yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. So now everyone on mute. Everyone go on mute. Okay. Pratik, what was that? Okay. We all are on mute. Yes. So we have sir, we have t, we have r. So sir, t, r. Now I'm going to put them together. What do you think? What sound does it make? Okay, I'm going to ask. Wait for Didi. Wait for Didi to tag you. Wait for Didi to tag you. Sonakshi, can you tell me? Okay, Aradhya, bacha, go on mute. Wait for your turn, okay? Yes, Sonakshi. Sonakshi.
Didi.
Shruti, it's Sonakshi's turn, bacha. Wait. हाँ, बोलो.
Straw.
Okay, very good, Sonakshi. Okay, Sonakshi is saying it is straw. How many of you feel it is straw? Is it correct? Straw. Or we have something else? Payal, you want to try? Payal? Sonakshi has said it is straw. Straw. Payal? Okay, Arohi, would you like to try? Very good, yes. And Sonakshi, you are correct, and Arohi, you are correct too. So when s, t, and r, when these three sounds, when they come together, it's called straw. What is it called? Straw. Straw. Everyone say straw. Okay, stay on mute. Stay on mute, everyone. Okay, stay on mute and practice. Okay, stay on mute and practice. Let's repeat after Didi. Okay, repeat after Didi. Come on. Straw. 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 Laiba, go on mute. Straw. Okay, straw. Straw. Str.
Stra.
Okay. Now I'm going to. Very good. Okay. Can we have Laiba, Apurva, go on mute. Bacha Sonakshi on mute. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So yes, this is Tra. I'm going to call only 2 children to say the sound. Okay. Just to check if you have got this correct. Okay. Tanishka. Tanishka, what sound does it make? Say it again, Tanishka. Tra. Okay. Okay, good. Pranav. Pranav, what sound does it make? Unmute. Very good. Okay, it's stra. 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 Yes? Okay. So now let's move ahead and see what's there. Now it's thinking time. So we all are going to be on mute and we are going to think of stra words. It could be in Hindi, it could be in Marathi, it could be in English, whatever comes to your mind. But it needs to have stra sound. Okay, your word needs to have stra sound. No, it's thinking time. Arohi, thinking time. Only thinking time. Come on. So no one is writing. No one is unmuting themselves and answering. We are only thinking. So I'm also thinking, Didi also needs to think what are the stra words. Come on, let's think. Let's take 1 minute. Stop for 1 minute and only thinking. Come on. I'm also thinking.
Didi, sweet.
Pranav, we are thinking. We are thinking. We are not answering now. Wait for 2 minutes. Thinking time. See, I'm also thinking. I'm also not telling you all what the answers are.
Straw.
We are not telling the answers. We have 30 seconds more.
Didi, strap.
Deep, wait. Deep, Aradhya, wait. 10 more seconds. It's still thinking time. We are thinking. Vinay, think. Abhi nahi share karna hai. Okay, now we are not sharing. Thank you.
Strawberry.
What is on? Aradhya, we can hear your words.
Strawberry.
Okay, the time is up.
Strawberry.
Okay, thinking time is up. Now we are using the chat box. We are using the chat box to write the answers. And I'm opening the chat box on my laptop. Okay, I can already see Laiba has given me so many words. Okay, let me start reading. Strong, I have got strong, straw, stranger. Interesting word, Rakshit. Strange, strong, street, stress, strike.
Strong.
Okay, better can we use the chat box? Who is this? Tanishka, very good, bacha, but let's type it on the chat box. So
Ma'am.
we have street, yes, Pranav, strip, strange, strawberry, structure. Anush, that's a new word, very good. Strange. Yeah, Neha, bacha, we have to think of straw words. So your friends are giving me straw words, all the words beginning with straw, okay?
Star fruit. Star fruit.
If I say star, Star as straw.
Star fruit.
Star. बच्चा star में straw है. Star. Star. See, star. Straw. Can you hear straw in star? Strict. Strings. Strange. Okay. Wow, you all come up with more words than what Didi has thought of. I could only think of 4 words, and you all have come like with 10, 12 words. Excellent. Excellent. So, what we are going to do now is I will write some of the words that you all have shared, okay, if not all. And I want, okay, I want Satyam. Satyam, can you open the chat box and tell me some of the words that your friends have written so I can type them down? Satyam, tell me the words. Wow, I have got struggle. Satyam, should I write struggle? Okay, I'm not sure if Satyam can hear me. Meera, can you tell me the words that your friends have written in the chat box?
Sure.
Any word.
String.
Okay, string. Yes, next.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Stranger.
Strange.
Stranger. It is strong.
Yes.
Strong. Strong.
Strong.
Strong. It is stronger.
Stress.
Sweet.
Okay, I was listening to Meera. Where did Meera disappear? Yeah, Meera.
What? Who said it?
Meera, what is street? Okay.
Didi, you should check the chat box. Stand, Didi.
Okay. Who is this?
Didi.
Pratik. Pratik, bacha, don't send this, okay? Ha.
Yes, ma'am.
If all these were straw pictures, na, I would have still taken it, okay? Yeah, so don't send the emojis. Strung, stuck, strap. Wow, very good. Very good. Excellent. Now, what we are going to do is, so I will be saving all the words. Okay, I'm just saving all the words right now. What we will do is I will be sending all these words. Okay, I will send all of these words to you all once our class is over. So if all the words that you all have written, you all have shared with Didi, I will write all those and send it to you all. Okay. So we have got string, we have got strawberry, we have got stranger, strong, and street. What do you mean by stranger?
जान आदमी अनजाने लोग
अनजाने लोग. Yeah, someone whom you don't know, okay? A person whom you don't know, you're meeting them or you're seeing them for the first time, or you don't know, like when you're walking on the street, you see so many strangers around you, right? So those are strangers. And do we talk to the strangers?
अनजान आदमी No.
We don't talk to the strangers. We don't accept anything from the strangers if you don't know them. You don't take anything from them. Okay. Strawberry, strong, street, and string. These words we will see later, okay? These are the words we'll see the pictures later. The rest of the words. Okay, now Let's move ahead. Now it's listening time. Okay. Now I want only your ears. Your ears. So I want your ears to work. So let's do a listening exercise. Okay, come on, massage your ears. Prepare, keep your ears ready. Okay. Now I will be saying some words to y'all. If you feel that the word has str sound in it, you will show me thumbs up. If you think that the word doesn't have str sound, you will show me thumbs down. Okay? Yeah? ठीक है. Your first word is, excuse me. Your first word is, sorry. Your first word is string. String. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Shreya, Rahul, Columbia, I can't see you, bacha. Switch on your video. String. Okay, very good. Yes. String. String. You can break the word in your mind. String. String. So yes, string has str sound. Next word. Next word. Black. 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 Raj, I can't see your thumb. Up or down? Black. Down. Yes. Very good. Rakshit, Pranav, come on, switch on your videos. Deep, Sarthak. Okay, next word. Next word. Stress. 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 Very good. I can see thumbs up. Excellent. Okay. Last word. Last word. Mat. 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 Niyati. Mat. Niyati, mat has str sound. Where did Niyati go?
Didn't know.
Very good, Niyati. Very good. Okay, now this, so I would like to give you one more word since it also came in the chat box. Someone had typed it down. So the word is star. Star. Now tell me if it has str sound. Str. Star. Star. Okay, I can see some thumbs up, some thumbs are down. Star. Star. Okay. Anush, why are you? Bacha, why? Star doesn't have str sound in it. Anush. Anush, can you unmute yourself and tell me?
Yes, see.
Anush, can you hear str sound in star?
Yes, see.
Anush, star में can you hear the
Morning,
sound
Didi.
str?
Yes.
Yes. Then why did you show thumbs down? Okay, so Anush is saying in star he can hear the word str. Str. Okay. Who else is saying no? Laiba? Laiba, can you unmute yourself and tell me? Yes, but in the word star, can you hear the word star?
Yes,
Can you hear the word? Can you hear the sound star?
दीदी आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
Arohi, can you hear me? Laiba, check your network, bacha. Okay. Okay, I'll take one more response and then Didi will answer. Chaitra, can you tell me in the word star, can you hear the sound str?
No, Didi. No, sir. No, Didi.
Okay, let's break the word. Okay, so some of us are saying it has sound str in it. So let's break the word. Okay, so let's break it. So I have star, star. Yes. Now star and str. हमने स्ट्र सुना स्टार में स्टार. See, there is r sound. So star has r sound and star also has st sound. So r, but it's not coming together. Okay, st is coming in the beginning and r sound is coming in the end. Okay. So in star there is no str sound. Okay. 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 Let's go back. Can we all go on mute? So our listening time is over now. Now Didi has thought of few words. So we are going to look at the picture and these words you have already shared. Maybe one or two would be new words, but you all came up with brilliant words. Okay, let's see. Let's try and read these words. Okay. Daksh, can you read the first word?
Strong. Strong.
Very good. Strong. Strong. Excellent, Daksh. Yes. Can I see all the strong children? We all are strong. Can I see all the strong children? Eating healthy. Yes. If
Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, Didi.
Okay.
Yes,
So
Didi.
if we all, okay, everyone on mute. Yes, if we eat healthy, we will be strong. Okay, next one.
Train. Didi Channi.
Neha. Yes, it's Channi. Yes, it's Channi. Neha, can you read?
This trainer. Train. This trainer.
Yes.
Trainer.
Okay, can we all go on mute, bacha? See, we are not respecting others. Your friends are trying to answer. Okay, Neha, can you answer? Neha? Haan. Shruti, go on mute. Neha, are you there? Okay. ठीक है. Deep, would you like to answer? Okay, ठीक है. Let's move. Yes, so this is trainer. You all have a trainer at home? Yes? Very good. ठीक है, next.
Didi trainer को चम्मच.
Strainer को चम्मच? Chammach is a spoon. This is a strainer.
Channi.
Channi, yes, it's called a strainer. Okay. Next one.
Straw, Didi.
Yes.
Straw.
Straw. Straw.
Straw.
Okay. Okay,
Didi
children,
straw.
let's pause for a minute. Can we all take a pause? Okay. Let's go back to our norms. I know you all are very excited and you all are reading it very fast. So I'm very happy about that. But you know what? Not everyone is getting chance to read it. So you all can read it and show it to your mama or papa, whoever is next to you. But let me also hear different voices. Okay? So if I call out your name only, then you answer. Or I'll ask you to help your friends later. Okay? So let's wait. So yes, this is straw. But next time I'm gonna ask. Okay, next word. I want Tejal to try. Tejal, you are reading the next word. Others, you can tell your mummy, papa, whoever is next to you. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, bacha. Yes, Tejal, you can look at the picture as well.
Stretch. Stretch.
Oh, very good. I'm happy that you are posting the word. Yes, Tejal.
Stretch.
Very good. Yes, it is stretch. Can I say everyone stretching their arms? Come on, everyone, stretch your arms. Come on, Faisal. Stretch your hands. Very good. If you're sitting, tired of sitting, stretch your legs. Good job. Shreya is even yawning. Okay, next one. Okay, next word I want Vijay to read. Vijay?
Drink.
Acha, who is answering? Rakshit, is that you, bacha? Sonakshi, stay on mute.
Didi slim.
Yes. I hope was that Vijay? Okay, yes. Strings. Okay, strings. Strings are these. Can you see? These what do you say? Metal wires on the guitar. Yes.
Yes.
If you move your fingers on the strings, you can hear music. You can make music with that, with the help of strings. Yes, so you have strings on the guitar. Okay, next.
That's not a guitar, that's a violin.
Is it? Does that look like a violin? Yeah?
Violin.
Okay. Yeah, I thought it's a guitar. So even violin have strings on it. Okay. Okay. What is this word?
Right. This light. Right. This right.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Sonakshi, did you read this word?
Stride. Stride.
Stride. Stride means, can you look at his legs?
Stride.
Yes. Stride. Stride. What do you think? What would be the meaning of stride? Okay. आगे जाना, आगे बढ़ना. Can you look at his step? Is it a small step or a big step?
दीदी big step. तक भरना.
Yes. Yes. So when you stride means to take a long step, a big step. Okay. Yes. So stride. Sometimes, when you are in hurry, you want to catch train or you want to reach school on time, then you take big steps. Yes. That's when you stride. So you take a big step too, so that you can reach early. Yes. Okay, next word I want Sarthak to read. I haven't heard from Sarthak. And I want only Sarthak reading, okay? Others can help him later. Sarthak, I hope you're ready. Chalo, next word.
Stop.
Sarthak,
This place.
yes. Stress.
ये
Stress.
जोल दे
Stress. What do you mean by stress?
जोर देना टेंशन स्ट्रेस
Yes. Stress means you जोर देना किसी बात पे. Stress
दीदी
करना.
टेंशन
हाँ, टेंशन इज ऑल्सो टेंशन जब आता है ना तभी हम बोलते हैं ना ओ माय गॉड आई हैव सो मच ऑफ स्ट्रेस ऑफ एग्जाम, स्ट्रेस ऑफ
दीदी
मीटिंग.
ज्यादा
सोचना या व्हेन यू हैव स्ट्रेस यू थिंक अ लॉट. यस. ओके, नेक्स्ट वर्ड. We all have already
स्ट्रॉबेरी दीदी
strawberry.
दीदी स्ट्रॉबेरी दीदी स्ट्रॉबेरी स्ट्रॉबेरी
Okay, yes, strawberry. So we are gonna move. This is the word that was shared by Pranav. Pranav, can you read this word and also tell us what do you mean by this?
दीदी स्ट्रेट दीदी
Pranav.
स्ट्रीट
Okay, bacha, are we respecting Pranav? Are we waiting for Pranav to speak?
स्ट्रीट दीदी
What do you mean by street, Pranav?
रास्ता मतलब रोड
Yes. Okay, street means road. See? So the street is empty because there are no cars on the street. It is empty. Okay. Last word. I haven't heard from Vinay today. Vinay.
दीदी क्रीम
Very good. Stream. Yes, this is the stream. What do you mean by stream, Vinay? Look at the picture and tell me. You can guess, it's okay.
दीदी स्ट्रीम
Yeah, it is stream. And I can hear someone is saying Jharna. Yes. Okay. Chetna, are you there? Chetna?
स्ट्रॉबेरी स्ट्रीम
Okay. Okay. So stream. Stream. Chetna, are you there? Okay, children, let's go on. Okay. ठीक है. So I heard someone saying Jharna. I don't know who said that. But stream, stream is, if you go if you go in jungle or anywhere somewhere, when you travel to your villages, you can see this small. So this is a very small, like flow of water that you will see next to the road or in the jungle, in the forest. Okay, it's not a big one, not like a river or anything. It's a very small one. You can even walk in this, play in this. So it's a stream. ठीक है? It's called a stream. छोटा सा झरना. Yes. Okay. So we finish the words here. Okay. Now we finish the words. Now let's have some writing time. So are we all ready with our words? With our notebooks? Show me your notebook and pencil if you all are ready. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Okay. So now I will be showing you all something. Okay. So we are going to do this independently. Okay. We are going to do this, solve everything by ourselves. Okay. So you will be using these words. So we have in the bracket, there are words like straw, strawberry, street. Then we have strings and we have strong. Now you have to read the sentences and pick up the word and use it in these blanks. Okay. Okay. I will make the screen a bit big so you all can see this. Okay. Okay. So we can start writing and I'll call you one by one to read the sentences as well. Okay. Okay. Come on, everyone, start writing now. Shreya, can you read the first sentence for me? Shreya?
Yes, Didi.
Can you read the first sentence?
I like to
Yes.